Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. Today I am going to show you my workplace. So this is my table right now and it's very messy as you all can see. I haven't cleaned it up from last few days and I have one drawer here. So this is how it looks. And in this drawer I keep some papers that I have worked on. And then few other papers, then brush pen here. Here I have worksheet and my books and everything is kept here. So let's organize this. I'm keeping all the books and paper on one side, then all my brush pen on the other side. It's a very tiring process. It took me 2 hours to set all this. Now I will sort my brush pen, markers, gel pen, and I will keep all the brushes at one side. And it's almost done. You can see the table is clean but all the mess is on the floor. So they are divided into different categories, like one side all the used books are there, then here I have the blank papers, white and few colored, then these are the blank books, half used books, pointed pen stuff, markers, brush pen, and then watercolor. Those are my papers that I want to keep and I don't want all these papers. So guys, I bought this 2 pen organizer. I know I will need few more, but right now we will set few of our pens here. I'm sorting small tip brush pen and big tip brush pen. And the sorting is done. Now we need to move the table to the corner. And we will store a lot of our papers and pen on this brown rack. Putting some papers, and on the top of that I will put some books. Okay, so are you ready guys? Let's see my happy place. I will buy 2 more organizers to keep this brush pens and highlighters and markers. And these are sorted here. Moving to the rack. On the top I have brush pens. Moving down I have few inks and dinky dip and the mixing palette. Moving down, here I have Caran markers, metallic markers and watercolors and acrylic colors here. Below this table I have a storage space, so all my used books are kept here. And in this box I have few brushes and oblique holder. This drawer is empty but I have a lot of stuff to put here. I can put this brush pens here or markers, or I can put my papers here. We will see. So guys, this was all about my workplace. Please let me know in the below comment section what do you think about this video. Also you can share your suggestions about how to keep all my stuff organized. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.